Hello fellas, here I have the Bosch 18V rotary hammer drill, and it's not working, just a light on ons. So we need to disassemble the electric part of it and check. Okay, all the hammer housing got out, and we can check what we have here, and we can see that the brushes is ended. How we can see that the brush spring here touches the metal of the carbon brush holder unit, so definitely we need to replace the brush. Now I want to take out the field and the motor, the LED light cover, and we can check the armature commutator. It looks good. Of course we will sand it a little bit, the ball bearing is dry, so we can open it and lubricate, or it's a ZZ with a metal cover, so it's normally it's always dry on a dust. Yep, so for this one we need to replace the carbon brushes and check how then works the hammer housing and the motor. And okay fellas, I have washed the hammer drill housing and other parts, and we'll go for the assembly. Have the LED light. We have the LED in place. Now I will press the spring here. Got my glove. Okay, it seems that we have this part here. Now we need to put back the carbon brushes. Just taking the wire. I have new carbon brush holders, the brushes itself, the springs, and the springs. Of course the screws for the brushes arrives in one piece, in one bag. Yep. It's moving easily, like it must be. Okay, now we need to put the brush holders in place. Getting the wire connected. Doing the same with the second one. You can hear the storm outside. Now, of course, I want to put the model plate. Goes here. The switch changer, the direction changer. Okay, now we have the field, and always I'm checking for if it's a bump here, I'm checking for the pin here or here that belongs to the tool. Mounting the armature. Now I will just lift the brushes up with a screwdriver. Of course, you can get the brushes lifted by lifting the springs, but I'm afraid that they will pop out and I will start all over again. Okay, now we check if everything looks in places. You can see from this side that the housing is almost aligned. The label pop it out. As it's aligned, it moves. The field is not spinning around. The bottom is in place. Double checking the wiring. If it will not press any wiring, okay, you can try to close it. Just making sure that the label will go in a place. It seems like collected piece, non-collected piece. Okay, I need to find out the battery. Have the Bosch battery.